Hello, my most amazing artists, and welcome to another episode of Miss Guzman's virtual art class. Today, I will be walking you through how I created an imaginary animal. For this art assignment, you will need paper and a drawing tool. Coloring tools are optional. You can do this art project in many ways, but I decided to turn it into a fun, random matching game. I started by making a list of animals that I liked to draw. Then I made a list of animal parts like head, legs, tail. To get the most interesting animal combinations, I decided to use a random number generator on Google. Of course, this is completely optional, and there are plenty of other ways to brainstorm combinations and solutions to this art challenge. By the end, it was decided that I was going to make an animal with a fox head, a snake face, a kitten top, a turtle shell, and a zebra tail. I wonder what that will look like. With everything decided, I chose to start with the animal's head, which was going to be in a fox shape. The drawing technique that I'm using here is called sketching. Sketching is when you hold your drawing utensil very lightly without applying much pressure to the paper. This ensures that the practice marks being made are easily erasable. In art class, we like to say, draw light till you get it right. I'm just going to continue to sketch the rest of this creature's body. I focus on one part at a time, thinking about which animal attributes would best represent that animal. I try not to spend too long in any one spot. It's best to leave the fine details for the very end. Now that I have my base sketch done, I can start to add fine details, and I decided to go over my base sketch with a Sharpie to give it a stronger, more cartoon look. Now I'm going to add some color. Color is a great way to help symbolize what animal is on each part. I thought my animal looked a bit scary, so I added some hearts to make it look a little less vicious. And voila! My imaginary animal is complete. That was such a fun creative drawing. Now let's see if we can answer some questions about our imaginary animal. Here are some writing prompts. What would your animal be named? Where does this creature live? What does your imaginary animal eat? If you saw this animal in a forest, would you be scared? I would love to see your imaginary creature on Class Dojo. You can send it along with the answers to any of these questions. You could even write a story about you and your imaginary animal. That's all I have for you today in Miss Guzman's virtual art class. I'll see you next time.